My dear learners, I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty. Today I am going to take an interesting English video class. You will observe it carefully. I am Muhammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Tebamadpur Kaunia, Rangpur. My lesson identity, Class 10, Subject English First Paper, Unit 7, you know the famous person of the world, also of Bangladesh. But can you tell me who was the greatest artist? He was none but Shilpacharya Jainul Abidin. Our today's lesson is Jainul Abidin, the greatest artist, Unit 7, Lesson 1. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to read and understand through silent reading, ask and answer question, write an article. You can see the picture of Jainul Abidin. Birthplace, Kishoreganj. Date of birth, 29 December 1914. In 1938, he graduated with the first position in first class. He attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951-52. He was titled Shilpacharya, that means great teacher of art. You can see the river Brahmaputra Nor. Jainul Abidin was inspired to be an artist by the river Brahmaputra. Look at the screen. Government School of Art, Kolkata. You can see here. After completing high school, he got admitted in this school. Slade School of Arts, London. He attended the Slade School of Arts in London from 1951 to 52. First art school established in Dhaka. Now it is named Art Institute, Dhaka. Jainul Abidin was the first principal of this institution. Jainul Abidin was the founder of Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon. Jainul Abidin Sangrashala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh. Jainul Abidin designed the page of Constitution of Bangladesh. Now I am going to present keywords or new words. You will try to tell the meaning of the word, then follow the picture and match the meaning, and you have to make a sentence with the main word. Famine sketches. Drawing of a famine picture. Famine sketches means drawing of a famine picture. Zainul Abidin was famous for drawing famine pictures or famine sketches. Sinister. Sinister means harmful, injurious, pernicious. Timid people are afraid of sinister face. Skeletal. Skeletal means frame or structure of body. The picture shows the skeletal parts of human body. Plight. Commitment, promise, please, undertaking, promising. It is our plight to protect addiction. Depict. Representing by drawing. Depict means representing by drawing. A painter depicts his imagination by drawing pictures. Compassion. Compassion means sympathy or empathy. We should have compassion to the helpless. Charcoal, meaning coal, cinder, burning object. Carbon monoxide is produced by burning charcoal. Milestone, a guide to a destination. Cambrian College is a milestone of education. Carmichael College is a milestone of education. Dhaka University is a milestone of education. Now I am reading the text. You will observe it. The pioneer of Bangladesh modern art, Zainul Abidin, is widely acclaimed for his Bengal famine sketches. Through a series of sketches, Zainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1940 but also showed its sinister face through the skeletal figures of the people. Destined to die of starvation in a man-made planet, he depicted these extremely shocking pictures with human compassion. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and using cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. He produced a series of brush and ink drawings which later became iconic images of human sufferings. Zainul developed a knack for drawing and painting when he was a high school student. After completing high school, he got admission to the Government School of Art, Calcutta, now Kolkata. He graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. He was appointed teacher of the art school while he was still a student there. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London in 1951 to 52. Zainul Abidin is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. He was an artist of outstanding, talented, and earned international reputation. For his artistic and visionary qualities, he is referred to as Shilpacharya, meaning great teacher of art in Bangladesh. He was the first principal of the first art school in Dhaka, in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. He organized the Nabanno Harvest exhibition in 1961. In the exhibition, a 65-foot long scroll portraying the rural East Pakistan in phases from abundance to poverty. This intensified the already heightened non-cooperation movement against the Pakistan regime. The exhibition was symbolic of the artist protest and a milestone in demanding cultural and political freedom. Zainul Abidin's name, style of work is evident in a 30-foot long scroll painting called Manhura, which was done to commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating cyclone of 1970. He designed the page of Constitution of Bangladesh. He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon and also Zainul Abidin Sangrashala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh in 1975. The river Brahmaputra plays a predominant role in his paintings and all sorts of inspiration all through his career. Much of his childhood was spent near the scenic beauty of the river Brahmaputra. A series of watercolors that Zainul did as his tribute to the river earned him the governor's gold medal in an All India exhibition in 1938. This was the first time when he came into a spotlight, and this award gave him the confidence to create his own visual style. Zainul was born in Kishoreganj on 29 December 1914 and died on 28 May 1976. Look at the series of pictures. Picture 1, a skeleton. Picture 2, two women are engaged in war. Picture 3, the picture of a dog and a crow, a man lying down on the ground. They came here in search of food. Picture 4, this is the picture of a river. You can see a boat and some people on the boat. Picture 5, this is also the picture of a river. This is the picture of the lifestyle of the people. We can also see some cloud in the sky. In picture 6, we can see that two oxen are pulling the leveler. and one man is standing on the leveler. This is the picture of cultivation. Picture 7. We can see here some people are trying and working hard. My dear learners, I can discuss the rest part of the topic another day. Allah Hafiz.